Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'll try to talk about the latest software update details about the Realme X7 Max device. So is it worth to update or not? That's what this video is about. I'll try to give a couple of examples what is happening with this kind of latest update, which is about 8.18 update. Let me just show you, friends, as you can see. So with this updates, what happens is that there are two things will definitely impact a lot. One is battery life, next is temperatures. These are the main things for a lot of other users who are actually concerned that should they upgrade or not. So first thing is, friends, the battery life, I am seeing in my experience of using normal to like medium to heavy kind of usage as well, slightly kind of decrease little bit, but not much. But one thing I can definitely say, this varies from one user to other users, definitely. And some users are getting about 7 to 8 hours of screen on time, and some users are not getting about I think 6 hours also. As you can see, these are the comments. Not only this one comment, I think so many comments I did receive on this battery backup on this phone. If you look at the Realme community page as well, let me just show you exactly Realme community page. I'm started to follow this Realme community page recently because a lot of Realme X7 Max users started to post there and follow me there. That is the reason I thought of checking the comments and reading the post what it's happening over there in the Realme community. I did type the Realme X7 Max battery. You can get a lot of complaints as well. People are saying that they're facing the battery draining issues with the latest update. As you can see, Realme X7 Max battery draining after the 8.18 update as well. Some of the users, they are posting like that. But this one thing I cannot guarantee for every user. It will happen like that. I cannot guarantee that. It depends upon the type of applications you install and the way you use and the way of connectivity you use, Wi-Fi or the 4G. This is something the user should be taken care of. But in my experience, in my usage with this phone, my personal opinion, I'm trying to say, I did see slightly decreased in the screen on time. Yes, just a little bit. Before I used to get 6 hours 30 minutes, and now a little bit, half an hour less, not much, just half an hour less. That is with only single SIM. It also varies if you are trying to use a dual SIM card and if you're trying to use a mobile data, something like that. So battery life will not be consistent for all the users. I cannot say 100% guarantee for that. But what I can say 100% is that camera improvement has been slightly improved in this latest update in terms of the front cam. Yes, front cam, the camera improvement has been done. I did see that kind of changes happen. So I did get a lot of messages as well regarding the front cam, and the Realme X7 Max got better. Yes, that is the one thing which I can definitely say confidently, that front cam is really good in the Realme X7 Max after the recent update. Another thing is about the gaming, which is about the Battlegrounds mobile game mainly. Right now with the Battlegrounds mobile game, 90 FPS you cannot get, but if you use a brightness trick, only then you can get. But some of the users are actually complaining that after updating to the 8.18 update, even if they use the brightness trick, they were unable to get at 90 FPS working. It's not working for them. That is what I did receive a couple of comments. But right now, in my case, for me, I was able to get exactly working 100% fine without any kind of problems at all. In the brightness, as you can see, it did work perfectly all right with the brightness trick which I did just now. So in case if the brightness trick is not working, I did show the another video as well, which is a set edit application. You need to use it, and forcefully you need to do that. If you use that application, battery will be draining. Keep that in mind. So don't use that application because that will force complete UI to run at higher refresh rate. So don't use that, battery may drain. And these are the complaints which I got after this recent update, the FPS dropping and getting capped at 60 FPS. As you can see, these are the complaints which I got. And in my case, I did not have those kind of issues, but because my phone did work with the brightness trick itself. If it's not working, try to use the set edit, but if you set edit, that's another problem which may drain the battery as well. So these are the few things you should definitely remember, friends, when you're trying to update to the recent update. So camera, okay, fine, and the other things, nothing much got changed. I cannot see any kind of major improvements when compared with the before and afterwards. Let me try to show you the call lag, what is happening in the update log. So what is going on in the update log? They did mention optimized front camera. That's kind of working in this moment. And apart from that, I did not see this fixes the problem. The sidebar of the game assistant, it's not displayed in raw probability after entering the game. This problem still not yet got fixed. Yes, when I'm trying to do the speed test comparisons with a few of the games, it did not work. I'm not sure why it did not work, but some of the games, whenever I try to open the games, it's not showing like this game space. Randomly, it's not showing. Still that problem is there in my phone. It's not a big thing, but I just want to address what is going on as well. That is the reason. It's not a major thing, I would say. And rest of that should be kind of completely fine. I did not have any kind of major problems. But apart from that, there's another weird problem, which is a 3.5mm jack is not detecting in some of the phones. It's not working audio. That is the reason I did upload a video as well. And I did see that kind of comments in the Realme community, posting myself and messaging me. That is the reason I did upload the video as well. But overall, after the update, I did not see any kind of low speed in terms of the fingerprint scanner as well. Fingerprint scanner was working 100% fine, no issues in terms of redirecting at all, not a problem. So I think this update was, you can definitely update friends, but only one thing I cannot guarantee is the battery life. That battery life, I need to do the Padawan's mobile game testing very soon. I'll try to do that. Sorry for that, because of the Moto H20 in my studio, I don't have that much time, but definitely I try to do the battery draining test as soon as possible. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested, and let me know in the comment section below what problems you faced in the latest update. So that will be really helpful for other users, so we'll definitely not update to the latest version. So even if you're in the 17 or 16, doesn't matter, there's not a huge impact. Not a huge, except the front cam, that's it. So if you want, you can stay at that versions itself. I would not advise, but still you can stay if you want. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video, and meanwhile, signing off. Bye.